Hi, this weekend I hosted a workshop in my studio that was an advanced animal workshop. And this video is the students' responses and their progress as the workshop went on. So I hope you enjoy it. All right, we are in our advanced animal workshop, and these ladies are creating a beautiful pelican. Let's see if I can show you a picture of it. It's not covered. So this is our inspiration. And I don't think we have names for our pelicans yet, but they will get names by the end, I'm sure, because their personalities will come through. So this is our progress thus far. And I will update you guys as we go with all of the details. So ladies, tell me what you're learning right now. What have you learned? Anything that you don't like doing this? Or
So
go ahead.
So how you actually get the eyes to start with to kind of really give it personality, I think is a key part. And she's got all these great beads and ideas how to do that. And then the other part is the shading with Hanks. That is gives it some nice color and beautiful texture.
Cool.
And for me, the big teaching moment was how to lay the beads in what order so that you don't end up being cramped by the time you're at the end of the space that you need to bead.
That's good. The order that you do it is
Yes.
important. Yep. Linda, what about you?
Oh my
Anything yet?
gosh, I am learning all sorts of things. I'm learning, well, all these advanced techniques, and we haven't even gotten to the layering of the beads yet. But yeah, I would say having to just the order and the color and how we're using the beads to shade is just pretty interesting.
Cool. Well, I will update you guys later as we keep progressing on our birds. We are continuing our workshop, and this is how much progress everyone has made. The heads of the pelicans are done now. They've got glue on them, so they're drying, and we will be going on to the next phase. So these are our pelicans, and we will show you our progress. What's your favorite part of your pelican?
Mine is the
So far?
hair.
The hair?
Yes.
You like the hair?
Yes.
There's the hair. And what about you, Lynn?
I think that, the head, the face.
The face? Linda?
I don't know. I like the eye and the blue. I like the eye and the blue. I
Okay.
like this little in the pink.
Area.
I like
Okay.
that.
Yeah.
The personality.
Yes, I think the personalities are starting to come through. We still don't have names for them, but we will. And we're going to see how the rest of the body comes together. Okay, go ahead. Hi, Mary.
Hi.
This is your pelican. Did you find a name for him yet? Did you
I
figure out
haven't. I need
Okay.
to finish him to figure out what he's going to end up looking like. when
Okay,
he's
well,
done.
what was your favorite part of this workshop?
My favorite part was really learning all over again how to do these bugle beads and layer them.
Cool.
Yeah.
You did a great job.
Up
Take a
here
look
as
at-
well.
Take a look at this guy's face. He's just amazing. So you'll finish him when you get home.
I sure will.
Yay.
Yeah.
Well, that's awesome. Lynn, can you show us your guy? Is he too wet, or even if you just do a quick flash, there he is.
Yes.
And what was your favorite part of the workshop?
I think learning a little, again, some of the technique here, and then, like she said, some of the practice with the bugle beads. Every time you get a little bit better. And then just being able to do it with other women. We had a great time just sharing ideas and what was
Yeah.
working and what wasn't. And so
Yeah.
that was so helpful.
The camaraderie
Yes.
definitely helps.
Yes.
Yeah. Cool. Thank you. And then Linda's over here sorting my beads for me. But we'll let her tell you about her pelican. So she got a little farther than most.
Yep, I actually, look at that. It's holding. I think this is going to be Frida the pelican, and I don't know why Frida
Introduce you
came
to
in,
Frida.
but I think that's Frida.
I like Frida.
So the creative process was incredible, and I agree with everybody here. learning how to layer the beads and being able to take our photograph and looking at it and then having just that technical ability to kind of be able to follow it and come up with a fairly close representation. And what I really, really like is not outlining everything in sticky foam. I really like not having a hard outline. It looks not like stained glass, it looks like art.
Yes. Yeah.
This was a blast.
Good. Yeah. And this is my guy here. And I just love creating him with friends. And it's so amazing to me to be able to work on something and do the thing that I love with people that are just incredible and have good company to do it. So thank you very much, you guys.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to learn how to create bead mosaics like this, we do have beginner kits, but we also have advanced kits available. And we also have other workshop opportunities. And if you have a few people that you want to get together to do an advanced type of workshop like this, get in contact with me. We can see about doing it either in my studio or at your location, depending on the scheduling and where you're located. We would love to work with you on that. And you can find all your supplies and everything that you need at beadmosaic.com. So thank you so much for joining us. I hope I'll see you in one of my workshops one of these days. Hope to see your work on our Facebook group too, Bead Mosaic, because it's a really fun place to share your work and see what other people are doing. So see you later. Thank you.